Hey guys, today we are making an easy carrot cake recipe. It is perfect for when you don't want to spend all day shredding carrots. The cake is moist and soft with a little spice thanks to cinnamon and a lovely cream cheese topping. The batter mixes up with just a whisk and a spatula. No mixer is needed and the cake takes less than an hour to bake. It's the perfect recipe for Easter, springtime, and birthdays. Of course, our version is gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start out by washing and peeling the outer layer off of 2 carrots. Then we are going to zest 1½ of them. Next, we are going to take milk, add white vinegar to it, and stir. We're going to let it rest for 5 minutes and then stir again. It will be super chunky, that's normal. Take gluten-free flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt, and whisk it all together until combined. We're going to make a well in the dry ingredients and then set aside. Combine cornstarch and water and mix with a spoon until it is thin and watery. It will be thick and tacky at first. Take our carrot zest, applesauce, light brown sugar, pure vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon, the cornstarch water we just made, the homemade chunky buttermilk, and vegetable oil. And we are going to whisk it together until it is fully emulsified and combined. It will take a little time to fully combine the oil in there, so just keep whisking. We're going to mix the wet into the dry ingredients with a whisk, but once it gets too thick, we are going to switch to using a spatula. And we just want to fold the flour mixture in until there are no more white chunks. We're going to fill a 9-inch parchment-lined cake pan with the batter. It will be very thick, so we're going to use an icing spatula or a butter knife to smooth it out. We don't want any lumps. Then we're going to bake it, cover it in foil for 10 minutes after removing from the oven. Once the 10 minutes is up, it should be nice and soft on top. Then we are going to make our cream cheese frosting. Once the cake is completely cool, we are going to frost it. We are going to frost the top and the sides, and it is a simple 1-layer cake, so you don't need any fancy piping bags. You can just use an icing spatula or the back of a spoon or even a butter knife, and you're just going to make swirls or any little designs on the cake. Then if you want, you can cut a thin layer off the top of the cake before frosting it and sprinkle some crumbs on top if desired. I hope you guys enjoy this cake as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.